Alright, so to remove the tire, rear tire on the Macfox, and take these off, take that off, disconnect your motor, and then there's 3 zip ties here, and then on this side there's this little tension thing. Gonna unscrew that, take everything off, same thing, 3 plates, push tire forward, take chain off. And also you're gonna want to take this caliper bolt off so it can drop down, because it will get stuck on your disc. So they're on. It's kind of hard to take off, but when you guys fill them back up with air, make sure that it seats nice. You want like a consistent I guess piece of edge all the way around. So I just filled them up, deflated it, filled them up until they all had the same piece.